and welcome back to Get Healthy Now Mastery. Well, you know, we're in June now, and so we are just doing it up with the juices in June. And I pray that I'm going to bring some juices that you are going to enjoy, and you begin to create it yourself. So today is June the 2nd, Tuesday, June the 2nd. Well, give cheers for June. Yes, yes, and yes. So June the 1st, we did a juice for the pancreas. And today we have a juice for your hair. You want smooth, shiny, lustrous, healthy hair. You look at me, I don't have much hair, but it is soft and it's healthy. All right. So we're going to get on with this juice for your hair. And again, let me tell you that the way I came up with this is I looked up hair and looked up the foods that were good, had good benefits for your hair. So this is how I came up with these ideas. So again, I hope you'll love this. I hope it will be something that you can use. And usually, I think I told you all a while back, the juices that I make, I have not made a juice that I did not like. So on that note, we're going to get started. Welcome. Thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you to the newcomers. Thank you to all of my supporters. I appreciate you. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. We're starting June off with a bang. Yes, we are. Send me a comment. But I left this because I'm going to cut this. This is, we have one bunch of cilantro. And guess what? And one bunch of parsley. This came out of my garden, y'all. Oh my goodness. Now think of how that made me feel to go out there in my backyard and pick this parsley. Oh yeah, we're going to get this started. And I'm not making big batches of juices because I want you to see that you don't have to make big batches. It's not going to take you that long to make the juice. So, but we're going to actually cut this so we can put that in there because sometimes these stems will get hung around the blade in there. So I had one subscriber to tell me, oh, and I have 2 green apples. Yes, and again, and I have some mint. So it's not a lot here. 2 green apples and a sprig of mint and 2 inches of ginger. That is it, y'all. Everything go in the hopper at the same time. That is it. How about that? See? Simple. Simple. There you have it. There you have it. Yes. And this is what I'm bringing to you for June. Not big batch juice making. Just hopefully something that you can make. And I suggest if you're going to try these things, go ahead and do 16 ounces a day on a regular basis. I always say consistency is the key. Consistency is the key. Yes. So let's do this. And I want y'all to know this is a powerhouse juice. Why? It's because I put this cilantro and the parsley in here. Cilantro and parsley. And this may, I hope it'll give me 16 ounces. And if it doesn't, it's okay. You already know. You already know what you need to do. Absolutely. So this is what we have. Again, I just want you to realize that you don't have to make big batches. And I don't want my videos to be so long. I want you to enjoy these things as you enjoy the juice. All right? As you enjoy this juice. I thought something was getting hung up there. But yeah. I'm excited. We got some good things coming. And we are doing the 40-day juice fast. So we got 20, the day is the 2nd. So we got 24 more days. Come on and join me. Join me on this 40-day juice fast. You will love it. Yes, you will. Yes, you will. Yes, you will. And again, you all know that I am working on reversing this heart murmur that I have. And all these juices that I'm making, I'm going to tell you something. These things are good for the heart as well. They are good for the heart. So, and these are powerhouse juices, and I promise you, they are energy-filled juices. Absolutely. So we're going to actually strain this juice. It's not, see, it didn't make a whole lot. So I hope it made 16 ounces though. So you could see. Oh yeah. So come on and join me on the 40-day juice fast. We got 24 more days. You all, so come on and join me. Let's see what we got here. I'm gonna taste it. Oh my gosh, this even looked like a powerhouse juice. It didn't give me quite 16 ounces, but that's okay, because I want you all to see this. And I smell that cilantro in there. So yes. Oh yes, but it doesn't take a whole lot, you guys. It doesn't take a whole lot. So again, I told you, what did I do? 1 bunch of parsley, 1 bunch of cilantro, 2 apples, a sprig of mint, and 2 inches of ginger. That's all I had. And this is a powerhouse juice. I already know. Look at it. Look at it. Cheers. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Can you not see that this will actually give you healthy hair? I know you can. I know you can. I know you can. Oh my goodness. You all, this is a you all need to try this. This is a powerhouse juice. I wish I had made more, but this is a powerhouse juice. I promise you. Yes, it is. Oh my goodness. Well, you know, this won't go to the refrigerator tonight. All this gonna go right here. Right here. Yes, it is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look. June the 2nd. Juice for hair. Strong, powerful, lustrous hair. Strong particles. Did I say it right? Strong roots. You all know what I'm talking about. Shiny, brilliant hair. And guess what? It's brilliant for your internal body as well. Come on and rebuild with me. Come on and rebuild with me. I love it. 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 Yes, I do. Join me Friday for 24-hour fasting. Starts Friday morning at 10 o'clock and it ends Saturday morning at 10 o'clock. So join me, okay? And then at the same time, join me for my Saturday morning tea time with Margie. Live. Yes, yes, and yes. You guys, I'm going to give you a garden tour. I am going to give you a garden tour. My garden is really popping out there. I have cucumbers already, and I'm going to get ready to get off of here because I don't want this to be long. But anyway, thank you all so much for joining me in my laboratory. Oh my goodness, where the spark and chemistry takes place. Thank you. And go ahead and give me a thumbs up. You know, the goal here is to reach people all around the world, to make this world a healthier and wealthier place to live in for everybody. And this is why we are rebuilding from the inside out. Yes, we are. We are committed. We are committed to make a difference in the health and the wealth of this world. I love you. Again, give me a thumbs up, send me a comment, share this information. All right. And we are growing with We are growing with subscribers. I need your help to reach out and encourage somebody to come on in and join Get Healthy Now Mastery. Again, peace and love and broccoli. Peace and love and broccoli.